I'm sharing a couple of my new stress-free habits that are already game changers this year, and the easiest yummy dinner, my taco soup. Hey, how are you? Shannon here, and today on Country Style Living, Home and Garden, I'm going to show you how to assemble, aka throw together, dump and go, this easy peasy meal that's so versatile. You can use ingredients I'm sure that you have in your pantry, or you can use them from the freezer or the fridge. Doesn't matter. So very easy, but yummy. Now on to the versatility of the ingredients of this taco soup recipe. It's the quickest if you have some leftover cooked ground meat and all canned items. I didn't this time, so I quickly cooked some ground beef, frozen corn, and even dried beans. I'll link my video below. Quickest way to cook dried beans if that's all you have. And all the other substitutions you can use from your pantry or freezer are going to be listed in the full printable recipe link below. Spray your crock pot with cooking spray. I usually forget that, not a big deal. It does keep it from sticking as much, but throw everything in. Doesn't matter the order that's listed on the recipe. Put it all in there, give it a good stir. Cook on low for at least 3 hours, but this is one of those things you cannot mess up. Leave it in there on low as long as you need to, and when you get ready to eat it, it's going to be worth it. While we wait, let's grab our warm, yummy beverage so I can have a heart-to-heart with you about some game changers for me so far this year that may help you as well. Here's a timestamp to the rest of the recipe if you need to jump on ahead. Instead of resolutions, I've been trying to keep new habits that are really serving me right now, and the way I'm going about it has been really working. The biggest change is that these habits that I want to implement into my life, I'm looking at them in more of a weekly mindset instead of trying to do these things every single day. Instead of saying, okay, every single day I need to get outside. I've been saying I want to do this many hours a week. And for whatever reason, that has really motivated me more. Also, my main job, my main gig is I'm a writer, a travel writer. The time that I'm spending outdoors there, I'm counting that as some of my outdoor hours that I'm trying to get every week.
How to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
Things that would normally be stressful, like cooking, I'm finding little tricks like every week, one night needs to be a crock pot meal. That takes a lot of pressure and a lot of stress off of me because, as you know, I love crock pot meals. I plan on doing a whole video, a whole little system I want to share with you coming up. So if you're interested in that, give me a little thumbs up emoji in the comments. So just look at things a little differently, habits that you want to do, and maybe you'll find that you have a little bit more success and less stress, because y'all know I'm all about that. Let's get back to that recipe and see how it turned out. Want to learn more easy peasy recipes? Then you're going to want to binge watch this playlist. See you in the next one.